Look at these two physiques for a second. Same shoulders, same arms, same body fat. But there's one small difference, and it changes everything. The neck. On the left, the neck looks thin and weak. On the right, it's thick and powerful. Same body, totally different presence. And here's the crazy part. Most people never train this muscle. Think about your last workout. You probably hit chest, maybe some back, definitely arms. Some of you even survived leg day. But be honest. When was the last time you trained your neck? Exactly. For most people, the neck is the most ignored muscle in the entire body. It just gets left out of the program. Watch the average gym routine. Push-ups, bench press, curls, shoulder workouts. Everyone's grinding to build bigger arms and a bigger chest. But while all those muscles are getting attention, the neck is just chilling there doing nothing. It's like building a house and forgetting the foundation. Now here's where things get interesting. When you develop your neck, something weird happens. Your shoulders start looking broader. Your posture improves. Your entire frame looks stronger, even if the rest of your body stays the same. A thicker neck gives your physique that solid, powerful look. You know the type. The kind of presence that makes people think, yeah, that dude definitely works out. But this isn't just about looks. A weak neck often leads to terrible posture. Your head starts drifting forward. Your shoulders roll in. And suddenly you look like you've been staring at your phone for 12 hours straight. Sound familiar? Strengthening your neck helps bring your head back into proper alignment, which means better posture and less tension. Your neck actually moves in three main directions. First, forward. That's when you bring your chin toward your chest. Second, backward. That's when your head moves back. And third, side to side. Training all three directions is the key to building a neck that's not just bigger, but balanced and strong. Let's start with the first exercise, the neck curl. Lie on a flat bench with your head hanging slightly off the edge. From there, slowly bring your chin toward your chest, then lower it back down under control. Start with no weight. Focus on smooth movement and full control. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Trust me, your neck will feel it. Next up, we train the back of the neck. Lie face down on the bench with your head hanging off. Slowly lower your head toward the floor, then bring it back up until your neck is neutral. Don't snap your head back. Keep the movement controlled. Again, go for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Finally, we train the sides of the neck. Lie sideways on a bench with your head hanging off. Slowly drop your ear toward your shoulder. Then bring your head back to the starting position. Switch sides and repeat. This movement builds balance and stability in your neck. Try 3 sets on each side. Here's the simple routine. Neck curls, neck extensions, side neck flexion. 3 exercises, 3 sets each. You only need to train your neck 1 or 2 times per week. Just stay consistent and gradually increase the reps or resistance over time. That's how the gains happen. Most people will keep skipping neck training. But if you start working on it consistently, your physique will look stronger, more complete, and more powerful. Sometimes the muscle everyone ignores is the one that changes everything. Train smart, stay consistent, and keep building. This is Mr. Vorkout.